It was really put into my brain. Money is the answer to happiness. And I still wasn't over that. I wanted money. I wanted to build my business. Things were moving pretty fast. And an idea, Nick would agree with this, an idea is not worth anything unless you share it with everybody. And that's what I did. My business partner and I, we got together, came up with an idea, and went and talked to whoever we could about our idea. And then slowly, we realized from the people we were talking to that business is all about value creation. And value creation comes from who you know. Network. IIT was so excited, they invested money in our company. They also connected us to people they knew. Because we treated everybody with respect, love, and everybody felt special coming in touch with us. We got press coverage without asking for it. CNN Money, ABC7, so many other news reporters. We were like, how are they coming? It's people were talking about us. Money came. We were being invited to speak at events. We didn't even know these places. People were talking because people who spoke with us, they felt special. And thus, we were building meaningful relationships where people were investing their time and energy in helping us. But nevertheless, we had a very supportive team that helped us. And these are exponential people, literally speaking, with 15 years of experience working in the best fields in their own fields of work. These guys saw something. They were happy, helping us out. And so it all comes back to this, that all people want is to love and be loved. You know, as students with no money, we couldn't do much for them, but we always asked, can we help you? Is there anything we can do for you? And if there was nothing, we would bake them cheese biscuits and bring it to them. Because it shows gratitude. It shows that we really appreciate what you're doing. We're not able to pay you, but we're trying to reciprocate. Because relationships are about reciprocation. So these are 3 things that I have learned personally that really help with relationships. Respect is the fabric of relationships. Because unless you have respect for people, like sometimes it so happens like, okay, I'll treat my investors like this, but by the way, the cleaning staff, not so much. It's all right. It's not like people are always watching you. You're being noticed how you act, how you speak, how you talk, how you behave. That's how the perception of who you are is created. It speaks up volumes about you, how you interact with people that apparently don't matter to you. And then honest communication is key. Anytime there was a conflict, especially with my business partner, honest communication really helped with that. Speak together, really get it out, instead of letting it blow up and one day, explosion happens. And gratitude. Whenever there's a problem, whenever, 2 people, there will be a time when you're working together that you will not like something the other person is doing. You forget about everything that this person did for you that was good, all over the, however time you knew this person. But you just focus on that one thing that went wrong, that one thing. So gratitude really helps to bring back things in perspective. There are 6 things, 6 exchanges. So giving and taking of gifts. Gifts, you don't have to buy anything, go to expensive. We all have gifts. We have talents. We have knowledge. We have sweet words, appreciation. It always helps to give something. And it's also good to receive it because it's reciprocation. That's where it all begins. That's where a relationship begins. Giving and receiving food. Food is magical. It does wonders. Food has a huge effect. That's why we were baking cheese biscuits and giving it to the people who were helping us for free. Because people like eating, and it's if you know how to cook, great. If not, figure it out. But food really does play an important role in relationship building. And thirdly, and this is probably the most powerful of all, is sharing our hearts. And we don't do this with anybody we meet. This happens only with a person that we trust. But nevertheless, it can be sharing of ideas, sharing of thoughts, sharing of feelings. But sharing, opening up our mind to a person tremendously helps in our relationships.